hold that thought. Can we just discuss something crazy? And I mean crazy as in transparent. Yes, this is a see-through speaker. Okay, let me talk you through it because it's confusing. I know. Basically, what we've got here is the BK102 Cassette Mini. This is a Bluetooth wireless speaker. It's quite heavy, I'll give it that, so you're not going to be taking this around with you in your backpack. But when it comes to household units, this thing just looks insane. Hello? You can see me right through there. I know. But serious note, this thing is a unit. So it is a wireless speaker, it is Bluetooth and also comes with an aux. You've got a charging port at the back, which is USB-C, which is nice. And we will go through some of the specs, but build quality overall, this thing is made to last. And it looks, like I said, incredible. It just fits anyone's niche, it just fits anyone's office. It just does. It goes so well. Anywhere you put it, it just looks good. You know, I don't even know where to put it because I just want it on display, but I've got no space. But anywho, it comes in 4 different colorways. You've got white, black, pink, and a mint green, which I went for the black because obviously keeping with the aesthetic, I wish they had an orange because that would have just looked creme de la creme, but they didn't, so I went for the black one. This is the Mini. They have a bigger one, which I don't know how big that is because this thing already is quite a hefty unit. So the big one, that's going to take up some space. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this name of the company. It's Jayine or Jayine? I have no idea. Just know it's spelled Jayine. On the box, it is a bit more confusing because on the box it says Jayxe or percentage. Percentage? I don't even know what that's meant to be. But yeah, that's confusing. That confused me. On this side, it's spelled properly, so it will throw you off no matter who you are. But yeah, let's go over some specs of this while I'll show off some sexy B-roll. And then we'll do a little sound test at the end. So you can sort of get a bit of a understanding of how loud it is and how good the quality is. Because to be fair, I've listened to it already and it is exquisite. Let's go over some specs while I show off some B-roll. This is the BK102 Cassette Mini Speaker. This has a chipset of an ATS2853, if you know what that means. It's got Bluetooth version V5.3, and the Bluetooth profiles are HSP, HFP, A2DP and AVRCP, and the output power is 16 watts. Transmission frequency is 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz. The wireless range is under 15 meters. Audio code is AAC or SBC, and it has sensitivity of 80 decibels. The transmission power is class 2. The dimensions are in millimeters of 240 by 155 by 85, and the battery capacity is 500 milliamps, which is giving you around 6 to 8 hours at 50% volume. The charging time takes around 3 hours, and this weighs only 1.7 kg. It can be paired using Bluetooth or aux, and it is made with PC and plexiglass. So there we go, that is all the specifications that you need in your body just around this little thing. The main factor is, how does it sound? So here's a little clip of me playing one of the best bands out there, Linkin Park, and this is the song Lost from this little speaker, and it sounds incredible.
Somewhere down inside of me,
So that is everything to do with the Jayine, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me know in the comments if you know how to. But the Cassette Mini Speaker, absolute bang for its buck. Looks fantastic, sounds fantastic. Definitely is a one-in-a-kind speaker that you might want in your setup. And if you do, there's a link obviously in the description that you can go to and check anything else out on their website, because they do many more things compared to just this speaker. But a massive thank you to the company for sending this out. Again, this is all biased reviews. This is my own opinion. If I didn't like the product, there probably wouldn't even be a video, but I do because I like the style of it. I like the sound of it. It does its job, and that's what it's there for. So if you want to check it, like I said, links in the description. If you have any other questions or queries, leave them in the comments below, and I'm pretty sure I can help you out with that. If not, you'll have to go to customer service to find out some more information that you are looking for that I can't provide. If this has helped you decide on getting one of these little things for your setup or in your office or workspace, wherever you want it, let me know by leaving a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because it helps this channel in more ways than you know. We are trying to reach 100k, which is a long shot, but I know we will make it there in time. But other than that, my name's been Callum. I've been your host for this evening. Don't know why I said that. Anyway, capture, create, captivate. I'll see you all in the next video.